my channel, Adventures with Amirah. We just arrived in Chicago from Orlando. This is our first time coming to Chicago, and I just wanted to give you a tour of the room. We are at the Sheraton Grand Riverwalk, and we are in the Illinois suite, and it is nice. So let's take a look. So this room is very interesting. It actually has 3 different entrances, and I'll take you through. So this is the main entrance into the salon or living room area. And there is a dining room table over here with a big floor length mirror. And then the views from here are just spectacular because we not only have a city view, we have a lake view as well. Look out the window. And we are right on the river, as you can see. So we're seeing a lot of boats go by for these architecture tours, which will be one of the people on there tomorrow night. We're excited about that. So this is a nice workspace here. I mean, you can't really beat the views if you need to get some work done while you're in Chicago. They do have a phone, a nice desk lamp here. This is a sleeper sofa, so we do have separate sleeping for the kids, which is really nice. This room has 3 different closets. So here's the first closet, and there is a safe, ironing board, and iron in here. And then this room also has 2 separate bathrooms. So this is the first bathroom. And this one does have a tub for those of you traveling with small children or that just like to take tub baths. It's nice to have that. And I'll show you what toiletries they offer here. This is the Gilchrist and Soames. Not sure if I'm saying that properly. Let me know in the comments. And here we have a soap, and they also offer bottled water, which is complimentary, which is very nice. And they have the same brand of body lotion. If you are doing entertaining, there's a bar cart here for any of you that want to like serve. If you're having guests here, like for a family event. I think it's interesting that they have the Book of Mormon and the Holy Bible on a bar cart. The irony. But it's good for serving up food if you have people like waiting on you here, because they do have like a butler's pantry, I suppose. So I'll show you that next. That's a completely separate door. Have a radio / docking station on this side as well. So in here is the separate door that comes into this little kitchen area, which I do need to call down to the front. I'm going to request a refrigerator, but they don't keep one in here anymore. In the pictures I saw somebody had one, and they've told me they don't really have microwaves here anymore either. They have some different tea packets here for you, Tezo tea. And they do have like a little small coffee maker, an ice bucket. And there's nothing in the cabinets. But I think people do entertain in some of these suites. Some of them house a lot more people. So I guess they can have parties or whatnot. And then there's also an extra closet in here. And we already have the kids' luggage on this side. But it is a full-size closet. But we actually ended up with multiple sets of room keys, which was interesting because I didn't realize there were so many doors coming into one room. And then this is a lock-off room, I think. So I guess you can rent just this room, or if you rent the suite, then they give you the rest over here. So I'll show you the bedroom area now. We got 2 double beds. They do not have queens at this hotel, I was informed. So if you guys like more sleeping space, be aware of that. And there are waste baskets and recycle baskets. So we're Bonvoy members, and I'm not sure if this is for everybody that's in the Illinois suite or just Bonvoy members, but we do get this popcorn every day. It could be because they have a new $20 per day resort fee, and they said that it's like a $20 credit you can use at any of their food locations, and it covers the popcorn every day, and I believe that covers internet as well because they used to charge for internet. In between the beds there is yet another little tea or coffee station under here. This hotel is definitely giving me Art Deco vibes. This reminds me a lot of a hotel we stayed in Paris. Similar mirrors. Here's yet another closet, and it's pretty large, just like the other ones are. And they also have like a luggage stand in there, another iron. And this is the door to the bedroom part of the room. This would be, I guess, the master bath. They have plenty of towels. The same thing, they have soap, lotions, 2 bottles of water that are complimentary, which is very nice. I'm assuming they probably replenish those daily if you ask. And then here is a view of the shower. So definitely a great spacious room for family. If you guys are interested in the rest of the hotel, stay tuned and I'll take you guys downstairs. I'll also show you guys the breakfast buffet in the morning. Here we have the women's locker rooms, and they do have private dressing rooms here, which is nice. They also have these combination lockers here, and this is the way that you enter the pool. I guess in case you bring your clothes with you and you realize they got wrinkled, they have an ironing board and iron here in the locker room, which is something I've never seen before in a locker room at a gym, so that's different. But I guess they have a lot of people here for business conferences as well. They're saying the sauna's out of service right now, but they do have a sauna. And then I wanted to show you guys the pool. People are swimming, so I don't want to bother them, but as you can see, there's a beautiful view of Lake Michigan out there past the pool. It's just a really nice area here. I just wanted to take a chance to tell you what you can get from the gift shop. Not only give you free popcorn every day, you also get a food credit at any of their restaurants on site, which I believe includes the Starbucks. And each day that you're here, you get to go into the gift shop and choose a souvenir. So today they have these mugs and they have some keychains as well, which I'll show you. Here are the 2 free keychains that my son picked up in the gift shop. They're both of the Chicago skyline at night.